Hello there. Thought I'd share what I have installed in my garage, or have had installed in the garage for the past just under 8 months. Last fall I put this thing in. Just thought I'd give it a whirl, you know. This is no longer made, but it's a good unit. 85503-267 LiftMaster belt drive. Basically an 8550 with a camera on the bottom. Pretty nice overall unit, good quality, nice and quiet. Door and it's on is not the greatest, but let's give it a run here just so you guys can hear it. Obviously has the nice high-end smart control panel. Let's open this and run it real quick. I'll get another view here too. I'll get it close up to the unit when we run it. Standing roughly a foot away from the unit. Nice and quiet, as you can tell. Pretty decent for what it is. A couple other things I'm gonna be brutally honest about, and this is just my opinion and my thoughts and my brutally honest opinion. I think LiftMaster probably is the #1 brand still, just because of the fact that they're very innovative and their products seem to stand out from the others. However, I do not recommend that anybody, and this is my brutal, honest opinion, and this is going to make some people angry, to even consider buying or using an overhead product or a Genie product. I don't think their products are that great. I think they're overhyped, and I really don't think they're that high quality. I've been in a lot of houses. I do service technician as a living for electrical, and I go in a lot of garages, and I hear a lot of garage door openers. And let me tell you, not one Genie or overhead product has stood out to me as being anything great. So those are just my brutally honest thoughts, and I just thought I'd share with you guys what I have in the garage right now. And that's it. So have a good one, guys.